We focus on the combination of 3D printed substrates and inkjet printing, which are subject to vivid research. We believe that their combination can enable completely novel sensor system concepts in automated production lines and collaborative robotics.
So the main advantage of this technique is its use, while it still assures a high quality of the obtained measurements, which are gathered with the developed sensor system prototypes.
When combining 3D and inkjet printing for functionalization, it is important to consider the substrate properties as well as the ink properties for individual layers. Also, the curing dose depends on a combination of both.
Fabricate the ceramic substrate by lithography-based ceramic manufacturing technology. To fabricate interconnects on non-conductive substrates, dispense the low-temperature curable conductive adhesive with a time-pressure microdispenser, mounted on a microassembly station, into the appropriate vias of the printed parts. Leave the fabricated interconnects to dry for 10 minutes at 23 degrees Celsius and with ambient pressure. After preparation of the inkjet printing system and inspection of the surface properties for printability as described in the text protocol, fix the substrate on the substrate table using adhesive tape and mark its position appropriately. Adjust the nozzle and printing parameters in the settings of the software interface by editing the properties of the print head in the printer's software interface. Move the print head to the drop view position using the Go to Drop View Position option in the print.